Hey everybody, I'm Mike Bublo with Sony Electronics. Today's an exciting day. I want to introduce to you the A7R Mark IV. Every single time we come out with a new one, it's not just an update to the camera, it's a completely new camera from the ground up. The A7R IV chassis is different, brand new sensor, brand new shutter, new ergonomic layout of the camera, everything is improved. The heart of the camera is the 61 megapixel backside illuminated sensor. So it's the highest resolution full frame sensor out there. And at 61 megapixels, everybody also assumes that there's gonna be some caveats and there's gonna be some shortcomings to what you can do. We're still able to shoot at 10 frames a second, even at 61 megapixels for up to 68 frames, which is just absolutely incredible. We brought over the eye autofocus features that we had on the new A9 and the new firmware update on the A7R3, and now that's also in the A7R4. But one thing that we revolutionized in this camera is that now you have full continuous autofocus on IAF in video as well. So you're gonna be able to have control that you've never been able to have before while shooting video in any format whatsoever. Another impressive thing on the camera is that if you want a little bit more reach and you crop down the sensor down to Super 35, you're actually going to be at 26 megapixels, which is actually the highest resolution APS-C camera on the market today. And when you crop down to APS-C, you're going to actually have full 100% coverage of the phase detection focus sensors on the APS-C sensor itself, which is pretty amazing. When you're in 61 megapixel mode and full frame mode, you're actually still going to have 74% coverage of phase detection with 567 phase detection autofocusing points, which is absolutely mind-blowing. We took pixel shift to another level as well. So now you're going to be able to get 240 megapixel images with pixel shift, and it's going to be able to take up to 16 images. What's cool about that too is not just about resolution, but it's also about color detail and color accuracy, because normally every pixel only sees one color, but when you do pixel shift, every single pixel now is able to see all three colors, red, green, and blue. So you're gonna be able to get the most stunning detail and the most impressive image quality that's ever been done. The camera body is slightly different, so there's a bigger grip, there's new pronounced buttons. The exposure compensation dial has a lock and a tether and a toggle. You have more pronounced multi-selection tool, AF on button. The camera just feels and acts like a professional tool that's incredibly well handled. This is the most durable, most weather resistant Alpha Series camera that we've come out with to date. So again, everything is brand new. The chassis, the weather sealing, 2 UHS 2 slots now, a 5.76 million dot OLED viewfinder to be able to give you a really incredible viewing experience through the viewfinder. We introduced 2 new digital audio microphones. The microphones now have a DA converter inside the microphone itself, and the camera is able to process that. And what's nice about that is that with the microphones, you can have completely noiseless A to D conversion, and what you can also have noise cancellation. You're going to be able to have shotgun mics that are half the size, half the weight, and be able to get better uncompressed audio in the camera itself. So you're going to be able to get extreme performance in audio to go with your HLG 4K video and eye autofocus video. So you're going to be able to have one of the most powerful video tools out there. The camera's going to be $3,500 and starts to ship in September. So get your pre-orders out there right now, because it's going to be hard to get at first. So I'm Mike Bublo, Sony Electronics. Happy shooting.